Hi everyone, today we are going to see the problem 890, find and replace pattern. Let's go to the question. You have a list of words and a pattern and you want to know which words in words matches the pattern. A word matches the pattern if there exists a permutation of letter P so that after replacing every letter X in the pattern with P of X, we get the desired word. Return a list of words in words that matches the given pattern. You may return the answer in any order. Let's go to the example so that it will be more clearer. The input words list are ABC, DEQ, MAE, AQQ, DKD, and CCC. And the given pattern is like ABB. So if you see, the words that matches this pattern are MEE and AQQ because each character is mapped to the character in the words. So even in MEE, you can see that A is mapped with M and E is mapped with P, and the pattern is similar to what it is here. So how are we going to solve this problem? So we can iterate through this words list and get the permutation number for this one and check if the permutation number for each of these words are matching with this pattern. If it matches, add to the results list, otherwise don't add it. And finally return the result list. So let's go through the problem coding. So right now I'm creating an array list of string and a pattern string, which is getting the pattern permutation number from this get method. So let's implement that method. So it takes the string word, and then what we are going to do is int of I is equal to 0, which is the index. And so we are using a string builder to append the number, index number, and also we want to store the frequency or the character that we already visited. Hash map. So we iterate through the word if we don't find the word in our map. So what we do is we put that in our map with the index where it, so also we append the index. If you don't find, if it already find that in the map, what we do is we append the index getting from the map. Finally we return sb.toString. So here we get the number. Let's say like the pattern is ABB here. It iterates and the index gets added, which is for A it adds 1 and for B it adds 2, and for the second time when B comes, it's already there, it again adds 2. So for ABB it returns 1 to 2. So 1 to 2 gets returned here, and we iterate through the list. and then if no, so we do the same thing for the word. So here also it matches and returns the permutation string, permutation number, sorry, equals pad string. So what we do is result dot add word. Finally, we return result. Let's see. Okay, it goes through fine, and let's submit. Okay. So the complexity for this one is order of n, which is the length of the list, and for each of the word we go through the length of the string, which is k. So n star k, and if you see the space complexity is, we are using a map to store the strings, so that will be k. So space complexity is k here. Thank you.